Hi guys, this is engineer Radin. Today I'll show you the wet curing for slab for my project. Yesterday after we poured the concrete and I did cure and seal, the chemical curing, and after that we did saw cut according to the saw cut plan drawing. You can see here around the interior diamond, yes, and the other interior diamond. And you can see yesterday I did wet curing with water sprinkler to cover the concrete slab and to minimize the cracks and keep it continuous all the nights. Today you can see water sprinkler. All the concrete is wet, covered with water. You can see it's covered with water. Here I did saw cut around the two piers. You can see one here, one there, and then divided equal. It's covered with water. That's good for concrete. And that is the first slab, that is the second slab, 4 inches thick slab with wire mesh, 2 inches chairs, vapor barrier, plastic sheets. Yeah.